sa championship na yun ng Adamson?
Actually, hindi ko nga akalain na 31 years na. And I was just surprised when I read my name. Tapos, yun na nga, actually, ngayon ko rin lang nalaman na it was the first yung Final Four era na doon nag-start. And hindi ko in-expect mag-champion because nung elimination, talo ako sa Zobel twice.
Okay.
And then, kasi that time, pag nag-sweep ka, champion ka di ba? So, talaga, pinag-pray ko na matalo sila ng isa. And yung pinaka-last game nila against NU. Natalo sila sa NU. So, nung natalo, nagkaroon ng Final Four. So, it's Zobel versus NU, tapos kami versus Ateneo. So, tinalo namin Ateneo. So, nag-finals kami ng Zobel. And then, nag-practice kami the whole week in preparation for the championship. And talagang I was driving kasi first game was Cuneta So I was driving to Cuneta. Talagang lakas ng feeling ko, talo ako Kasi feeling ko yung preparation was wrong. Buti na lang kasi talagang in-insist ko sa mga players ko, I want my players to be thinking players. So pagdating ko sa Cuneta, pinatawag ko sila sa dugout lahat kasi nag-warm up na So nung nasa dugout, sinabi ko, forget what we practice the whole week. Magbabago tayo ng So nag-vaccine 1 ako, triangle and 2. Sabi ko, ito yung kasi lakas si Aldiger, saka si Maglipon. Sila yung 1 and 2 punch ng So sabi ko, pag dalawa sila na sa loob, triangle and 2 tayo, pag isa lang, vaccine 1 tayo. And it worked, so we won the first game. Then going to game 2, sabi ko, pag nagbago sila ng strategy, then doon na lang tayo mag-a-adjust. Hindi naman sila nag-adjust, so yun, I'm happy we won the championship.
And sino mga players mo nun?
Ang nag-MVP nun si Bing Victoria. Tapos ang nag-Rookie of the Year si Ben De Guzman.
Okay.